Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the past, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action, all these lines look kind of goofy because, the price closed way up here. And then, at one point I was talking about levels, back that far down on the chart. So a lot of updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just house cleaning. And the house cleaning is we're going to start over again. Yes, these lines I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart. But like I said, in the spirit of from a presentation standpoint of not wanting to have 8 million lines all over the place, you want to try to keep this as, decluttered as possible, because a bunch of lines can cause clutter, and clutter can lead to confusion, and that's not what I'm trying to accomplish with these videos. So let's first start by mapping out some areas of support. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hang up above 0.016, that would make things look extremely, extremely powerful. But by no means is that any sort of must-hold level or anything like that. But, that would certainly be the preferable situation. Next level of support after that, down here at that point, and let's see, what's that valued at? 0.0135. So 0.0135 and then 0.016, two nearer term levels of support. The overall level of support is that purple line down there, which is definitely, irrelevant right now given that it's way down there and that the price closed up there. But the key word there is the 50-period simple moving average. So as time goes by, that line is going to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. But what you really want to see is just history repeat itself. Case in point right here, you can see price got right around that purple line and managed to maintain. Again, you can see bounce directly off of it. But like I said, as it stands right now, totally relevant. But as time goes by, that level will eventually catch up. Now for the fun stuff, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance, which is just coming from where the price tried to get above there a couple times today, sits right up here at 0.018. Good news is the price didn't close that far below it, so it's not like the bulls have to travel really any sort of distance tomorrow in order to be able to do battle with it. So 0.018 is going to be that initial level, and then just change to the daily time frame there so we can go back to the chart's history. And there we go. So always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history to figure out where some potential areas of resistance are. So next key level of resistance, if the price can break through there, I'm going to go ahead and call up at that point. Oh, that makes it easy. 0.02. So 0.018, 0.02, next two key battlegrounds. But no doubt about it, very strong day today. Very nice way to start off the week. So it'll be interesting to see how this all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.